What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best short throw projectors in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Epson EpiQVision Ultra LS800. Best ultra short throw projector for sports. There's no shortage of US projectors turning up to stake their claim as some of the best projectors on the market right now. Epson has shown solid performance with its laser-lit 3 LCD technology in various formats, and the Epson LS8000 incorporates it in a powerful US package. At $3,499 PS $3,199, about AU $5,240, it's amazing that this Epson can deliver 4,000 lumens of brightness, which proves more than enough for viewing in the daytime without covering every window with blackout curtains. Epson could have gone further with IRC support and a wider color gamut, but for what it lacks in those departments, it does a solid job making up for it by simply being usable around the clock with little fuss. The LS8000's built-in Yamaha design speaker setup provides a strong complement to its image. It can pack a punch and is plenty for 200 or 300 square foot rooms. The virtual sound mode is surprisingly compelling, mixing voices, sound effects, and music with great balance while lending an impression of surround sound. The LS800 has claimed a place for anyone who wants a simple, powerful projector that lets them beam a huge image they can view at any time of day they want. Number 4. Samsung The Premier LS-P9T. Best ultra short throw projector for sound quality. After more than a decade since its last home cinema projector, Samsung returned with an absolute cracker, the Premier LS-P9T projector. It's an ultra short throw beamer that makes use of 4K HDR laser projection, and its 3-color laser removes the need for a color filter. That enables the Premier's 2800 lumens brightness to really shine, and it's capable of producing a very impressive 130-inch image. Pictures are punchy and colorful, and Samsung's support for the HDR10 format adds scene-by-scene picture calibration in compatible films and TV shows. The projector also benefits from full implementation of Samsung's Smart TV operating system, although we found it a bit sluggish at times. The Premier LS-P9T's built-in sound system impresses in a number of ways. Dialogue remains correctly placed at the heart of an elevated soundstage, while specific effects are accurately positioned in the audio wall to tally up with the on-screen action. Detailing in even very complex movie mixes is good, and treble effects are delivered without harshness or clipping. The Premier LS-P9T is expensive, but we think it's a knockout choice for those who can afford it. Number 3. LG Cinebeam Hue 915QE. Best ultra short throw projector for picture quality. The LG Cinebeam Hue 915QE is a relatively new addition to the world of US projectors, and it's a fabulous one. But at $5,999, $9,999, about PS $5,600, this is anything but a casual home theater purchase. You get plenty for the money here though. The Hue 915QE's massive 90 to 120-inch picture is exceedingly bright and richly colorful. Even during daytime viewing, this projector is more than bright enough to create a pleasant picture, and just a little bit of ambient light control goes a long way in allowing it to display exceptional ones. With potent speakers, LG's handy Webo Smart TV system, the convenience of a manual focus wheel, and an image that's hard to find many faults with, you'd be getting quite a lot for your money with the LG Cinebeam Hue 915QE. Number 2. Hisense PX2 Pro. Best budget ultra short throw projector. The Hisense PX1 Pro, that originally occupied the best budget spot in this buying guide, wowed us with its strong contrast and rich color, and the new Hisense PX2 Pro steps up performance with a brighter 400 lumens picture and built-in support for the Dolby Vision high dynamic range format. Those qualities make the PX2 Pro a great option for movie watching, though you may want to pair it with one of the best soundbars via its HDMI IRC connection to get better sound than the Hisense's 15-watt speakers can muster. A main thing that differentiates the Hisense PX2 Pro from our overall pick, the Hisense L9G, is that it doesn't come bundled with a projection screen. The PX2 Pro can project images from 90 to 130 inches on any screen or surface you want, and its 3-laser DLP light engine will take things from there. The PX2 Pro has the same compact, stylish case as the PX1 Pro, and it runs the Google TV Smart System for streaming VIDAA U7 Smart TV OS in the UK with loads of available apps, Netflix included. Hisense's projector holds up well in a dim room, but the picture quality ramps up in a dark one. In our review, we said the PX2 Pro puts on one hell of a show and easily trounces the color of other projectors, including the Epson LS8000 elsewhere in this guide. Although the Hisense PX2 Pro may seem pricey for a budget projector, its price is lower than most 4K projectors with an equivalent brightness level. It's also an all-in-one solution with picture, sound, and streaming capabilities. Just add a screen and you're off to the movies. Number 1. Hisense L9G Trichroma Laser 4K TV. The best ultra-short throw projector for most people, the Hisense L9G is a revelation for the living room. This projector is packed with top-of-the-line projector features in an ultra-short throw design, including a tricolor laser light engine, HDMI 2.1 ports with IRC, HDR support, an Android TV interface, and powerful 40W speakers. Hisense isn't selling the L9G as a basic projector, but rather as a laser TV with an included ambient light rejecting projector screen that's meant to be permanently installed on your wall. This 100 or 120-inch varies depending on the model. Selected screen will appeal to those who are fussy about image quality, as it will reduce the impact of ambient room lighting on the picture. As good as its picture performance is, the projector stumbles in a couple of places. Its attempts to adjust brightness on a shot-by-shot basis for some content can mean it's overcorrecting in a way that makes the lighting quite jarring. Its motion smoothing can also be trouble, as it helps reduce panning judder sometimes, but introduces some glaring motion artifacts for everything else on screen. Fortunately, the Hisense L9G has a ton of available settings to adjust these features and many more, effectively letting users dial in the display however they like. There's no denying the breathtaking quality of the Hisense L9G, but it's a projector that takes a commitment to make sense for would-be buyers. It's definitely less of a commitment than a 100-inch TV though, as even the affordable models are multiple times the price of the L9G. So here is today's video on top 5 short throw projectors. If you liked the video, give a like and subscribe to the channel and stay with us.